We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and expert-driven overview of the YuanDian Can't Hear You. I'm Gaming Nightlight, Headset, Graphic Video Games Gamer Gift. Funny 3D Illusion Lamp. If you own this product, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The YuanDian Can't Hear You. I'm Gaming Nightlight is a decorative lamp targeted at gamers, teens, and kids, designed to add a unique visual flair to any gaming setup, bedroom, or office. This product stands out with its creative 3D visual effect which, despite being a flat acrylic panel, gives the illusion of depth and dimension when illuminated. The lamp features a headset graphic and the playful phrase, "Can't hear you, I'm gaming," making it a statement piece for any gaming enthusiast. One of the most praised features is its versatility in lighting. The lamp offers 16 different color options, all easily adjustable through both a touch-sensitive base and a remote control. Users appreciate the ability to change the mood of the room with a simple tap or click, switching between static and gradient color modes. This flexibility allows the lamp to serve as a vibrant accent during the day and a calming nightlight in the evening. The dimmable settings are especially valued by parents and gift givers, as they provide a soft, non-intrusive glow that is gentle on the eyes and suitable for nighttime use. In terms of build quality, the lamp is constructed from a combination of plastic and acrylic, with a finished LED base that incorporates a crack design for added visual interest. The product dimensions are compact, measuring 4 inches deep, 8 inches wide, and 6 inches high with a weight of just under 10 ounces. This makes it easy to place on a desk, nightstand, or shelf without taking up much space. However, several reviewers have noted that the lamp is smaller than they expected based on product images. So it is important to check the dimensions before purchasing to ensure it meets your expectations. Power options are another area where the YuanDian lamp excels. It can be powered by USB, making it convenient to plug into a computer, power bank, or wall adapter, or by 3 AAA batteries for a cordless setup. This dual power capability adds to its flexibility, allowing it to be used in various settings without being tethered to an outlet. The lamp is designed for indoor use only and is not waterproof, so it is best suited for bedrooms, gaming rooms, offices, or other indoor spaces. The lamp's LED light source is highly efficient, providing bright and uniform illumination without flicker or glare. This is particularly important for use as a nightlight or decorative accent in children's rooms, as it minimizes eye strain and creates a soothing environment. The light is also dimmable, allowing users to adjust the brightness to their preference, whether for ambient lighting or as a subtle nightlight. Customer feedback consistently highlights the lamp's appeal as a gift. Many buyers have purchased it for birthdays, Christmas, or other special occasions, especially for children and teenagers who are passionate about gaming. The lamp's unique design and customizable lighting make it a memorable and appreciated present. Several reviewers mentioned that their children or grandchildren were delighted with the lamp, often placing it proudly on their gaming desks or bedside tables. The fun headset, graphic, and playful message resonate with young gamers, making it a popular choice for those aged 8 to 17. Ease of use is another strong point. The lamp comes with a remote control that allows users to turn it on and off, switch colors, and adjust brightness without having to get up. The touch control on the base provides an alternative method for quick adjustments. Assembly is minimal, typically involving inserting the acrylic panel into the LED base and connecting the power source. The included user manual provides clear instructions, and most users report that setup takes only a few minutes. Despite its many positives, there are some drawbacks to consider. The most common criticism is the lamp's size. While it is compact and easy to place, some users feel that it is smaller than anticipated, which can be disappointing if you are expecting a larger statement piece. Additionally, a few reviewers mention that the lamp feels somewhat overpriced for its size and materials, though most agree that the unique design and functionality justify the cost, especially as a gift. Another minor issue is that the lamp requires 3 AAA batteries for cordless operation, which are not included in the package. This means that if you plan to use it without a USB connection, you will need to purchase batteries separately. However, the USB power option is convenient and eliminates the need for frequent battery changes. The lamp is not intended for outdoor use and is not waterproof, so it should be kept away from moisture and used only in dry indoor environments. Its freestanding design makes it easy to move and reposition, but care should be taken to avoid dropping or knocking over the acrylic panel, as it could potentially crack or scratch. In terms of style, the YuanDian lamp features an Art Deco-inspired design with a modern twist, thanks to the LED lighting and 3D illusion effect. The multicolor options allow it to blend seamlessly with a variety of room decors, from minimalist setups to vibrant gaming environments. The lamp's playful message and headset graphic make it an instant conversation starter and a fun addition to any space dedicated to gaming or entertainment. The product package includes one LED base, one acrylic sheet with the engraved design, one USB cable, one remote control, and a user manual. Customer service from the manufacturer is described as friendly and responsive, which adds to the overall positive experience for buyers. With a customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 1,600 reviews, the YuanDian Can't Hear You, I'm Gaming Nightlight is clearly well received by its target audience. It ranks highly in the kids' room decor lamps and lighting category, reflecting its popularity as a decorative and functional accessory for young gamers. To summarize, the YuanDian Can't Hear You, I'm Gaming Nightlight stands out for its creative 3D illusion effect, customizable lighting, and ease of use. It makes an excellent gift for gamers, particularly children and teenagers, and serves as a stylish and functional addition to bedrooms, gaming setups, and offices. While it is smaller than some users expect and may feel a bit pricey for its size, the overall quality, design, and versatility make it a worthwhile purchase for those seeking a unique and playful lighting solution. If you are looking for a memorable gift or a fun way to personalize your gaming space, this lamp is a strong contender. Remember, if you have this item, please share your own review in the comments to help others make an informed choice. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.